Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rush Peterbilt, Rocky Mountain Peterbilts on YouTube. Rush Truck Center here in Greeley, Colorado. One thing I always forget to say is please like, please subscribe. I do appreciate it. It's been very humbling, the number of people that actually watch these. I didn't think there'd be 3 people in the whole world that would watch these, but it's been amazing. So thank you. 2022 Peterbilt 389. Extended hood, 78-inch flat top sleeper. Another dazzling color. This is called North Sea Gray, non-metallic. Again, it's like the Viper Red one. It's stunning, and it's a simple paint. Battleship Gray is what some guys have called it. Beautiful color. You just don't see a lot of these. So just a gorgeous color. I always say this is what I'd get. This one would have to be in the running for what I'd get. Added 2 extra lights on the top there and did a 14-inch drop visor. 280 wheelbase. This one's going to be a twin to the Viper Red one if you watch the Viper Red video. Master disconnect there for the batteries. Polished def cover. That's about as well polished as I've ever seen one. 100-gallon tank on this side. Got our telltale sign for our bunk heater right there, the little exhaust. Air ride sleeper, air ride cab. 16-foot straight air and electric lines. Did the logger mount on the radio antenna up there, and the center mount on the CB antenna. 6 load lights. Can't get a rear window on a 78-inch sleeper. You got to go down to the 72. The catwalk, toolboxes, the access steps. So you do get some pretty decent storage there. No lights on this one. All we do is the 2 extra lights on top of the cab and the train horn and the drop visor. That way we can let people kind of customize it to what they want. So just let me know what you want, we'll put it on. 30-inch Hogue built quarter fenders, Goodyears, Low Pro 24.5s, round hole wheels, outboard mounted 5th wheel. Makes changing real easy. The gentleman that bought this one is sold. He doesn't want a Holland 5th wheel, he would like a Jost or Jost. I'm not sure which way you're supposed to exactly call it. But from what I understand, we have it in stock, and we're gonna just pull these pins right here and the Jost will sit right in there. So it uses the same legs and everything. I hope that's correct. LED tail lights in reverse. This one, we got the Peterbilt mud flaps on this one. Disc brakes all the way around. Full lockers. See by the airline right there. Full lockers. Front, rear, and inner axle. Goodyear Endurance LHDs. Another toolbox with access steps on this side. Got the jump posts for if you're running a reefer or flatbed with a motor or something. You jump on another truck, you get jump posts there. 150 gallon on this side. Did the aero mirrors. I think they look much cleaner, much more and they are much more functional. They work extremely well. Nice thing about kind of what we do here in Greeley is the radio antenna is off the cab, and so is the CB antenna that's off the mirror. So it really gives you a clean look, especially with no air horns. It's a Cummins X15, 15-liter engine. This one's a 605, 2050 torque. It's a hot side of the engine here. This has been a very good engine. It's along the lines of the Cummins N14. Dual airbags on this side with its own leveling valve, and we can change that valve out to like the ones in the rear, so we can wire it to a switch so we can dump the front end and kind of squat it down. Kind of a custom look. Man, I like this color. It's just simple, really simple. Put that up so we can shut the hood. There's your air ride on this side. Disc brakes in the front. Remote lube. Davco fuel filter. One thing about the fuel I want to mention is this fuel filter is heated, so that's going to help you in cold weather. You just check. Yeah, 605, 2050 torque. But one thing we did on this truck is we upgraded the insulation in the cab and the sleeper, and then back here we have fuel heaters. So it's actually got tank heaters inside the tank where we run coolant from the engine throughout the fuel tank to keep your fuel from gelling up. So that is one thing that this truck has. Most trucks don't have, and we got that installed from the factory. So just wanted you to be aware of that. It's got a few more options than most. It's a great cold weather truck. So if you're running anywhere from the northwest all across the north of the US, up into the northeast, these new fuels, they gel sooner than they used to. It used to be below 0, now it's below 20 Fahrenheit. Heated seats, I think I forgot to mention that on the red one. Still got the analog dash in this one. Anything built July or later, probably going to have the new, this is what we call the A panel. That's probably going to have a digital dash. Factory CB. Full gauges, or as full as we can. These are your lockers right here. Your fifth wheel, air suspension dump, and a PTO switch. It's all pre-wired for PTO, 18 speed, platinum interior. I didn't show it to you. This one was 18.8. Power windows, heated mirrors, train horn. It's got the fold-away armrests, just like the red one. It's also got a cup holder there between the seats. Single bunk, window on each side, got rear cabinets with storage above them. We got a fridge here, storage closet or hang up closet, and a business center on this side. The biggest reason I want to show you this one is because of the color. It's just like the red one. We got a alarm clock, a couple of 12-volt outlets, Esbar heater or the bunk heater that'll drive you out of here, and then your normal controls from when you're running, and your light. 280 wheelbase, 13.2 steer, 40 rears, 336 gears with an 18 speed. Black carpet. And this is all wrapped up in North Sea gray, which is just absolute stunning color. A good looking truck. So give me a call, 970-691-3877, or you can email me at couchk, it's COUCHK @rushenterprises.com. I'd be happy to work with you. This one's gone, the red one's still available, and we've got more coming. So appreciate you taking the time to watch. Like and subscribe if you would. Thank you.